Shall we start with magic mirror then? Yes. Okay. Because you were the first one, so.
The story goes as Santa Claus vacuums messages from steamy mirror back to home and family. So you can easily steam a mirror with a teapot, and it's a very unobtrusive communication. Gives hope and comfort for the kid. So he or she can write a message to home, and that's transmitted to the folks back home. Santa Claus is needed for the credibility and the story to be kind of engaging. And what exists already is kids' imagination. That is the most important driving the kind of engine behind the whole thing.
And well, part of the technology is already there. Of course, you need the location. Well, yeah, we all have a location, so you need an object and you need access. But what you also need is you need to know which objects are there, which object, where the location of the objects, what kind of objects one owns. And you need to give access to objects, and you can give access to your home. That's of course access to objects, but you can also imagine that there's other access to your car, access to your bike, like these kind of things.
And then we thought maybe the car is in fact the place where the only place where you really have the time to talk with your kids, because afterwards you bring them to an activity, you pick them up from an activity, and these 5 or 10 minutes is the time where you really have time to talk to your kids. So we thought maybe we have to make a mailbox, first literally with medicine in, and we thought maybe there's also more metaphorical medicine in there, so there could be just food in there, but there could also be messages in there. And then we thought maybe the car should be recording situations, for example when happy situations, they record it, so when they're sad they open their mailbox and they can think back of the happy experiences they had in the car.